Hello, dear friends. I am glad to show you a used backhoe loader cab 420F. The boom lifting time is only 0.7 seconds, which can complete the overall working efficiency. Advanced steering and hydraulic system, flexible steering and precise operation. Smooth and quick movements can make efficient operation. Why not choose for better life?